What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cora. Today, I will be unboxing USB 3.1 to SATA 3 2.5-inch external hard drive enclosure from Ugreen. So, let's get started. And then, of course, nandito na yung product. We have purchased this again and again from one of the leading online shops in the Philippines. Yan. So, lagi akong nai-impress in terms of packaging ng Ugreen, guys. Sobrang maganda. Kakaiba yung kanilang bubble wrap. So, we have purchased this for 700 pesos plus shipping fee. Of course, you cannot purchase any Ugreen products here in the Philippines, kaya this is shipped from overseas. So, gagamitin namin tong product na to para sa aming hard drive mula dun sa laptop ko, sa mga nakasunod na sa aking mga videos sa aming channel. Yun, nag-upgrade ako. In-upgrade ko yung hard drive ng aking laptop. Binilhan namin siya ng SSD. So, yung lumang hard drive ng laptop na yon ay dito namin gagamitin kasi pwede namin siyang lagyan ng aming videos, raw files, or any files, probably pictures like that, and magiging useful to siya. So, bubuksan ko muna para makita natin ang kanyang pinaka-product, of course. Alright. We have a lot of Ugreen products already, guys, because it's probably our trusted brand. Sobrang tiwala na kami sa brand na ito. Ayan. And I am always so surprised. It has always Velcro strap for free. Ayan. Sa mga previous na na-unbox ko, there is also Velcro strap. Kaya familiar na ako dyan, so yun lang. Ayan. And then this one is, I don't know, it's like, a thank you card. Yan. Thank you for your purchase. And then some other products they have. And then this is our 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. Yan. With USB Type-C port. Yan. So, of course, meron pa siyang plastic dito. So, I really like it. Okay. Cut muna natin siya. Sobrang, in terms of packaging, sobrang panalo ang ating Ugreen products. Very secured ang kanilang mga product. Hirapan tayo dito. So cute kasi meron pa siyang small plastic. And then yung mga designs nila, yung materials ng kanilang products, sobrang ganda. Yan. So I'm just gonna have to open this first. Okay, so ito siya. Wow. Alright, that's it. Ito yung kanyang manual. Ayan, oh. So, meron ditong, of course, this is written in English. And there is Italiano. And, it's really nice. There are some languages available para worldwide siya. Merong English, France, Dutch, Espanyol. This is so cool. Ayan, di ba? Kasi the more, mas maraming language, mas mabenta siya sa buong mundo. So, wow! Ang ganda talaga ng packaging ng Ugreen products. Meron pa siya ditong parang compartment para siyang separator ng kanyang cable. Ito muna ang kanyang cable, guys. This is 50 centimeters cable. Yan. So, pakita ko siya sa inyo. Buksan ko lang siya dito. Ito siya. Ito yung kanyang USB 3.1 Gen 2 at ito naman ang kanyang USB Type-C. But take note, guys, na kung kayo ay Mac user, yan, kailangan nyo pa ng another USB Type-C to USB Type-C na cable para magamit siya. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating pinaka product na enclosure. Super nice ng product ng Ugreen. Very secured ang lahat. Naka-plastic pa siya. Lagay ko lang dito. And yan. So, of course, nandito ang kanyang Ugreen and protect what you love. And then, meron pa siyang plastic dito. So, ito yung kanyang protective panel. Alright. Nandito yung kanyang port. Ito yung kanyang port. And then, ito yung kanyang ABS shell. I think nabubuksan to, di ba? Mabubuksan to. Meron ditong parang arrow. Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang slide cover. And what I like about it, guys, is meron siya ditong shockproof sponge. Ayan. Ang kagandahan kasi niyan, this is to avoid scratches or yung kapag yung hard drive na nilagay dito, hindi siya, pag nag-i-slide, hindi siya tumatama sa mga gilid-gilid. So, meron siya ditong mga shockproof sponge. Ayan. And then this one. So, maganda siya. And then, so ito, dito nyo makikita ang kanyang SATA 3 connector. Yun lang siya. Dito namin ilalagay yung aming lumang hard drive mula sa laptop ko na pinag-upgradean ko. Ayan, kasi 1 terabyte to. Ayan, so magagamit namin to para mag-store kami ng files. Ang kagandahan din kasi nito, ang maximum capacity niya is 10 terabytes. So this one is 1 terabyte. So, perfect lang siya. So, tara, try natin ilagay itong ating hard drive dito. Ayan. Ito namang pinaglagyan niya. Ito yung sa SSD namin. Ginamit lang namin siya para hindi naman sayang. Ayan, try natin siya dito.
Ayan. Ganyan lang siya.
Okay. Ayan, okay na siya. Ganyan lang. Ganda talaga ng shockproof sponge niya, guys. Ayan, and then close. Try natin i-close. Dapat ganyan. Oh. Ha? Ganda. So, ngayon naman, guys, try namin siyang i-test. Maglalagay kami ng files sa aming mula sa aming computer at titingnan natin kung nag-work siya at kung nababasa ba yung kanyang 1 terabyte. Yung parang gagamitin namin siya na parang normal na flash drive lang. So, check natin. Okay guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa aming desktop. Ite-test natin yung ating hard disk enclosure na Ugreen. So, makikita check ko dito kung naka-plug na ba siya. Dito natin siya titingnan sa ating devices. Ayan. Nandito na siya Ugreen storage device. So, ibig sabihin naka-insert na siya dito. So, try natin mag-transfer ng file. Okay. Papunta sa ating hard drive. Ayan. So, ito na siya guys. Ito yung ating Ugreen. Yung hard drive na to, ito yung galing sa laptop ko. Ayan. Ito yung 1 terabyte na hard drive ko na gagamitin namin na external storage. So, itetest natin kung gaano siya kabilis. So, itatry kong mag-transfer ng files. Ayan, mula dito sa aking computer, papunta dito sa ating external hard drive. So, 1 gig to. Try natin kung gaano siya kabilis. Ayan. So, cut natin. Ayan. Tapos, antayin lang natin, guys. Ayan. 1 gig yan, guys. Sobrang bilis. So, yun na. Ang bilis. Walang 1 minute. I think mga ilang seconds lang yun. Na-transfer na siya kaagad dito sa ating external hard drive. So, ayan na siya. Meron na siyang 929 free out of 931. Sobrang bilis na niya. So, magiging useful to para mag-store kami ng aming mga future videos at pati na rin yung mga raw videos na nakastore pa dito sa aming computer. So, again, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel na unboxing and everything, nandito lahat ng mga tutorials and unboxing and reviews namin. So, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for all notifications. This is USB 3.1 to SATA 3 2.5 external hard drive enclosure from Ugreen. This has 4 types of protection: short circuit, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. It works with laptop internal hard disk drive, and it has soft anti-shock foam to protect your hard disk drive against shaking or scratches. For universal compatibility, these are the specs. Hard disk drive size is 2.5 inches, length is 28.5 millimeters, width 82 millimeters, height 14 millimeters. The cable is 50 centimeter. Hard disk drive plug is SATA 3, 2, and 1. Hard disk drive thickness 7.2 millimeters, 9.5 millimeters. Hard disk drive capacity 10 terabyte maximum. System compatible to Windows XP, Vista 2007, 810, Mac OS, or Linux. The features are UASP, SMART, trim, auto sleep. And once again, this is the USB 3.1 to SATA 3 2.5 external hard drive enclosure from Ugreen. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Do not forget our Facebook page, that is Unboxing and Everything, and our Twitter account, that is Unboxing E. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! Love ya!